How to get $100 Temu promo code. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. At the top you will see the search box. Over there type in Temu promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Temu. So go ahead and open any of these. I'm gonna open this one, Time Magazine. After you open it, you're gonna find amazing deals and offer. Just scroll and check. 90% offer, 30% offer, $10 offer, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. All you have to do is click on it. So here is the code, you can copy it. Then click on View Discount at Temu. You will be directed to the official website of Temu. Now you can log into your account, browse through the items, select the items that you want to purchase, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you will find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out all the offers. As in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Also go through this website, as these websites will also provide you working promo code for Temu. Well, this way you can easily get up to $100 Temu promo code. That's a wrap for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.